Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most secure and secretive facilities on Earth.
But before a single dollar bill exists, the journey begins here, in the cotton fields of West Texas.
This isn't ordinary cotton. Currency-grade cotton fibers are significantly longer and stronger than commercial varieties.
When harvest season arrives, these specialized cotton harvesters work around the clock.
These farmers are growing something far more valuable than ordinary cotton.
Keep the pressure steady on the right side. All right, that should do it. Cut the flow.
Each cotton module weighs approximately 15,000 pounds and contains enough fiber to eventually produce over 2 million individual currency notes.
Feel this. This cotton is unlike anything you'd find in your t-shirt. Currency grade fiber is grown specifically for strength and durability. Check the pressure on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting now.
The ginning process removes seeds and impurities, leaving behind only the purest cotton fibers.
Crimp that strap tight. We need the next bale ready. Okay, clear.
Stamping is engaged.
Every bale is tested for fiber length, strength, and purity. Cotton that doesn't meet specifications is rejected and sold for commercial use.
Morning, ladies. Hey there. That coffee smells good.
Sure does. Ready for a busy day.
Bring the next 2 bales to dock door 3.
Copy that. Moving now.
This cotton is about to embark on a journey of over 2,000 miles.
This isn't just any delivery route. Trucks carrying currency cotton are tracked by GPS in real time.
The journey takes approximately 36 hours, crossing through 8 states.
The historic Crane Currency paper mill, nestled in the Housatonic River Valley.
Security at Crane Currency rivals military installations. Every vehicle is inspected, every employee vetted, and every ounce of cotton accounted for.
Welcome to Crane Currency, the most important paper mill in America. For nearly 150 years, this family-owned company has held the exclusive contract.
Weight confirmed, manifest matches. You're clear to move it to stack 12.
Roger that. Moving to stack 12.
Crane Currency maintains a strategic reserve of currency-grade cotton at all times.
75-25. Make sure the tickets match. They do. Tell them to bring it over.
The first processing stage is surprisingly violent. Massive bale breakers tear apart the compressed cotton. Here's where the magic happens. Cotton and linen fibers are blended in a precise 75-25 ratio.
The pulp consistency must be perfect. Too thick, and the paper will be heavy and stiff.
The Fourdrinier wire moves at over 40 feet per second, yet the paper forms perfectly every time.
What you're looking at is possibly the most valuable paper machine on Earth. This single machine produces all of the paper for American currency.
60 steam-heated cylinders dry the paper to exact moisture specifications. Too dry and the paper becomes brittle.
This texture is impossible to replicate with commercial paper.
Every inch of currency paper passes through over 200 individual sensors.
Biometric access granted. We are through the blast door and proceeding with the high-value shipment.
Expultins. Each sheet of currency paper is cut to precise dimensions, Kang. It will hold 32 bills.
Control, this is W1. Seals are intact, paperwork signed.
Confirmed. Moving the asset now.
The transfer to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing requires military-grade security.
Affirmative. Proceeding as planned. We are approaching the state line now. Everything is secure. Affirmative. Proceeding as planned. We are approaching the state line now. Everything is secure.
After a journey of over 400 miles under maximum security, the currency paper arrives at its final destination.
Welcome to the largest currency printing operation on Earth. This single floor contains over $3 billion worth of printing equipment.
This batch is clear.
The count matches the manifest. Ready for transfer.
The first printing stage applies the subtle background patterns using offset lithography.
The heart of currency printing is intaglio, a centuries-old technique that creates the distinctive raised texture of U.S. bills.
Each bill requires multiple printing passes. Every single bill printed by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing receives a unique serial number.
There are rigs. These presses run around the clock, 365 days a year.
The sequence is correct. Seal the bundle.
Yes, sir. Batch 4 proceeding to cutting.
The moment of transformation, 32 sheets become 32 individual bills in a fraction of a second.
And since Sabrina. Each banded stack contains exactly 100 bills.
Control, checkpoint cleared. All lanes active and secure.
$4,000 bills to a brick, 40 bricks to a package. Each standard package leaving this facility contains approximately $4 million.
Every package receives a unique tamper-evident seal linked to the Treasury's tracking database. From this moment until the current
Dallas, layer 3.
Confirmed. Moving to San Francisco.
Verification complete. Doors cycling open. All systems green.
You're looking at several $1 billion in fresh currency awaiting distribution.
Pallet 4B, serial confirmed.
Verified. Database updated in real time.
Each Federal Reserve Bank submits currency orders based on regional demand.
All green on the manifest check. Requesting authorization for gate release. Over.
New York, stack C. Who's got Atlanta? Yeah.
We're loading Atlanta now. Watch the clearance on Chicago.
Every currency shipment generates documentation that would make a lawyer proud.
Control, perimeter is secure. We are green for transfer.
All right, the manifest is signed. Let's move the first pallet.
Seal verified. Transfer complete.
This signature represents the transfer of billions of dollars in liability.
Convoy is secure. Gates opening. We are en route to the Federal Reserve. All units, maintain formation. Convoy 3 proceeding to Bay 2. Clear the outer gate.
Outer gate secure. Scanning active.
Federal Reserve Banks serve as the distribution hubs for American currency.
Make sure the 50s are double strapped for the armored transport.
Already done, just finalizing the manifest now.
Commercial armored car companies like Brinks and Loomis transport currency from Federal Reserve banks to commercial banks across the country.
In 200 feet, turn right onto Wall Street. Copy that, turning onto Wall Street. ETA 2 minutes, package secure.
From the bank vault to the teller window, the final step of a remarkable journey.
Here is your withdrawal of $10,000.
Thank you very much.
The Federal Reserve destroys approximately $7 billion in unfit currency every year.
Everything running smooth?
Yeah, steady as always. Have a good night.
Sharjah. What many Americans don't realize is that currency production happens at 2 locations.
The Fort Worth facility utilizes the latest technological advances.
Combined, these 2 facilities print over 26 million bills every single day.
Control, Unit 3 is approaching the south gate. Clear the barrier.
Roger that. Opening the barrier now.
Federal Reserve processing centers can evaluate over 100,000 bills per hour.
Control, this is Liaison Officer Walker. Evidence secured for case 427.
Shredded currency has surprising second lives.
This facility is the starting point for billions of US dollars, essential for global trade and banking.
Over 60% of all U.S. currency circulates outside American borders.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะเงินทอนค่ะ
Shelf 7B is complete.
Confirmed. Moving to 8.
Despite the rise of digital payments, physical currency remains essential. Over $1 trillion in physical U.S. currency.
Many spend entire careers here, developing expertise that can't be replicated by machines.
All clear on Sector 4. We had the routine transport at 1400 hours.
Nighthawk 1, status check. Over.
Since 1862, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing has produced America's currency through wars and depression.
This is where the greenback gets its color, a closely guarded secret since 1862.
Look, they're printing the money right there.
This is a brand new dollar bill. It has special features to show it's real. Now you can get something nice.
Nestled among America's monuments to democracy, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing serves a function as essential as any symbol of
Large coffee, black.
That's $2.50.
And the paper.
Thank you very much.
From cotton field to your wallet. From printing press to savings jar.
Your withdrawal, sir.
How much for this?
I'll take the necklace.
Thank you, madam.
Behind every bill is a story.